Yeah, I'm so
Tawagan muna
thankful.
natin yung stewardess natin. Ay, may stewardess kami dito. Stewardess Saida from the EBBH Airways. Ayan, okay. Ano meron tayo for our guests?
It's
First,
birthday,
I want to
okay?
greet Bossing a happy birthday.
Okay, thank you.
Greet lang.
Wow.
Walang kiss.
No, cannot be.
Cannot be.
Hi. Okay, what do we have?
I have here different kinds of nuts again.
Oh, wow. What are the kinds of nuts?
Again, we have sungsong.
What sungsong?
Sungsong.
Sungsong what?
Sungsong nut.
Sungsong nut?
Yes.
That's the favorite earrings of Joey. And what's this?
Green pea.
And this one?
Green peas.
And this one?
Money ulit.
Mani ulit. Are
Okay.
they clean?
They clean?
Yes, they're always clean.
Why?
Because I'm making sure that everything I prepare is clean. I washed it.
Oh, you wash it. Okay.
You wash everything. Okay.
You wash everything.
Thank you.
All right. Tingnan natin kung sino ang tagatanong.